Some cars don't fail because they're bad. They fail because people think they're bad. In the automotive world, reputation can be more powerful than reality. A single viral complaint, an outdated review, or one problematic model year can permanently stain a car's image, even if newer versions are reliable, improved, and actually excellent vehicles. Once a car earns a bad reputation, it often becomes a victim of internet myths, exaggerated horror stories, and second-hand opinions passed around without real experience. And that's the real problem. Many buyers end up avoiding great cars, not because they're unreliable, uncomfortable, or poorly built, but because they're influenced by old stereotypes, social media jokes, or stories from a decade ago that no longer apply. Meanwhile, some truly underrated vehicles quietly deliver solid reliability, comfort, performance, and value, while being unfairly labeled as risky or undesirable. The truth is, not every car with a bad reputation actually deserves it. In fact, some of the most criticized cars on the road today are secretly hidden gems. They may not have the flashiest branding or the strongest resale value, but they often provide excellent daily driving experience, strong safety ratings, good fuel economy, and lower ownership costs, sometimes outperforming more popular and more expensive competitors. So why do they still get hate? Sometimes it's because of older generations that had real issues. Sometimes it's because a brand struggled years ago, but has since dramatically improved. Sometimes it's because a car became the target of memes or jokes, and those jokes stuck. And other times, it's simply because a model got overshadowed by better marketed rivals, even though it performs just as well. But here's the smart buyer's secret. Cars with bad reputations often become some of the best deals on the used market. Because fewer people want them, their prices drop. That means you can often get more features, more comfort, more performance, and better overall value, simply because other buyers are scared off by a reputation that doesn't match reality. Think about it. Would you rather overpay for a car everyone assumes is perfect, or save thousands on a car that's quietly dependable and underrated? That's exactly what this video is about. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 good cars with an unfairly bad reputation, vehicles that many people avoid, but probably shouldn't. These are cars that deliver real-world reliability, strong ownership satisfaction, and practical everyday usability, yet still struggle with negative public perception. We're going to explain why each car got its bad reputation, whether that reputation is actually deserved, what the car does well, and why it might actually be a smart buy. If you're a car enthusiast, a budget-conscious buyer, or someone who simply wants honest, no BS automotive insight, this list might completely change how you see certain brands and models. Because let's be real, not every popular car is great, and not every unpopular car is bad. In fact, some of the most reliable cars on the road today don't get the credit they deserve, while some overhyped models get praised far more than they should. This video is about cutting through the noise. It's about separating internet rumors from real ownership experience. It's about giving credit to cars that deserve it, even if they've been misunderstood. And it's about helping you make smarter, more informed car decisions. Whether you're planning to buy your first car, upgrade your daily driver, or just love learning about underrated automotive picks, stay tuned, because some of the cars on this list might surprise you. You might even find your next car hiding in a place you never expected. And make sure you watch until the end, because the number 1 car on this list is one of the most unfairly judged vehicles of the last decade, and it might completely change your opinion. Now let's get into it. Let's reveal the cars that prove a bad reputation doesn't always mean a bad car. Number 7, Nissan Altima, the meme that isn't actually a bad car. The Nissan Altima has become one of the most mocked cars on the internet. It's often associated with reckless drivers, questionable maintenance, and reliability concerns. But when you separate the memes from reality, the Altima is actually a solid, comfortable, and efficient daily driver. The car's biggest reputation issue comes from older CVT transmission problems, especially in early 2010s models. These failures were widely discussed online, and Nissan's reputation suffered as a result. However, newer Altima models have improved CVT reliability, better build quality, and far fewer reported issues. Beyond the transmission controversy, the Altima actually delivers a lot of value. It offers excellent fuel economy, a smooth ride, a quiet cabin, and modern tech features such as driver assist systems, touchscreen infotainment, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, features that used to be exclusive to more expensive cars. It also remains one of the more affordable midsize sedans to buy and maintain. Insurance costs tend to be reasonable, parts are widely available, and repairs are generally cheaper compared to European competitors. In short, the Altima's reputation is shaped more by internet jokes and older reliability concerns than its real-world performance today. For budget-focused buyers, it remains a smart, practical, and underrated option. Number 6. Chrysler 300 Luxury Power with an Image Problem. The Chrysler 300 often suffers from a reputation tied to brand perception rather than actual performance. Because Chrysler as a brand has struggled in the past, many people assume the 300 is unreliable. But in reality, this sedan offers impressive comfort, power, and road presence. One of the Chrysler 300's biggest strengths is its engine lineup. The available V6 provides smooth and adequate power for daily driving, while the legendary V8 Hemi offers serious muscle, giving the car performance comparable to much more expensive luxury sedans. The 300 also delivers a quiet, smooth ride, making it ideal for highway cruising. Its cabin offers a spacious interior, comfortable seating, and a premium feel, especially in higher trims that include leather, upgraded sound systems, and advanced infotainment. While it's true that Chrysler's reliability reputation has taken hits in the past, many 300 owners report solid long-term ownership when the car is properly maintained. The key issue isn't that the car is bad, it's that the brand's past mistakes have unfairly shaped public perception. As a used car option, the Chrysler 300 can be an exceptional value, offering luxury looks and strong performance for thousands less than European competitors. Number 5. Kia Forte, a victim of an old reputation. Kia's reputation in the early 2000s wasn't great. The brand was once associated with cheap materials, questionable reliability, and budget-focused build quality. But modern Kia vehicles are completely different, and the Kia Forte is a perfect example. Today, the Forte offers excellent fuel economy, modern technology, stylish design, and impressive value. It competes directly with heavyweights like the Toyota Corolla and Honda Civic, often offering more features for less money. One of the Forte's biggest strengths is Kia's industry-leading warranty, which provides buyers with peace of mind and highlights the brand's growing confidence in reliability. Inside, the Forte features a clean, modern interior, a responsive infotainment system, and strong safety tech, including lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control in higher trims. While some earlier Kia models suffered from engine issues, the company has invested heavily in quality control and reliability improvements. Many modern Forte owners report strong reliability and low ownership costs. The problem? Some buyers still judge Kia based on its old reputation, ignoring how far the brand has evolved. In reality, the Kia Forte is one of the best value compact sedans on the market, affordable, efficient, comfortable, and smarter than many people realize. Number 4. Volkswagen Jetta, misunderstood German engineering. Volkswagen often carries a reputation for being expensive to maintain or less reliable than Japanese brands. While it's true that German cars can sometimes cost more to repair, the Volkswagen Jetta offers a driving experience that many competitors simply don't match. The Jetta stands out for its refined handling, solid build quality, and European-style driving feel. It offers responsive steering, smooth suspension tuning, and a more engaging ride compared to many economy sedans. Inside, the Jetta delivers a well-designed interior with quality materials, comfortable seating, and modern tech features. Newer models include digital instrument clusters, touchscreen infotainment, smartphone integration, and strong safety tech. The Jetta's reputation issues often come from older Volkswagen models, where reliability concerns were more common. However, modern Jettas have become more dependable, especially when maintained properly. Yes, Repairs may cost slightly more than a Toyota or Honda, but in return, owners get better driving dynamics, a more premium feel, and a car that feels less economy-grade. For drivers who want fun, comfort, and style without paying luxury brand prices, the Jetta remains an underrated and misunderstood option. Number 3. Hyundai Sonata. Overshadowed but actually excellent. The Hyundai Sonata is often overlooked because it competes with giants like the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. Some buyers still associate Hyundai with past reliability issues, but modern Sonatas are stylish, tech-packed, and surprisingly refined. In recent years, Hyundai has dramatically improved its design language, giving the Sonata a bold and futuristic appearance that stands out from conservative rivals. Inside, the Sonata offers a spacious cabin, comfortable seats, and a long list of standard features. The Sonata excels in fuel efficiency, daily comfort, and overall value. Hybrid options provide even better economy, making it a great choice for commuters. Hyundai also offers strong warranty coverage, which adds peace of mind for buyers worried about long-term ownership. Earlier Hyundai engines had some well-documented issues, but newer generations show major improvements in reliability and durability. Many Sonata owners report excellent long-term satisfaction. The Sonata's bad reputation mostly comes from being overshadowed, not from actual performance flaws. It's a car that quietly delivers comfort, efficiency, and modern tech, often at a better price than its competitors. For buyers willing to look past brand stereotypes, the Sonata is a hidden mid-sized sedan bargain. Number 2. Chevrolet Malibu. Boring reputation, solid reality. The Chevrolet Malibu is often criticized for being boring, forgettable, or unexciting. But being boring doesn't mean being bad, and in reality, the Malibu is a comfortable, practical, and reliable daily driver. The Malibu offers a smooth ride, quiet cabin, and straightforward controls, making it ideal for commuters and families. It delivers respectable fuel economy, affordable maintenance costs, and a relatively low entry price. While it doesn't try to be sporty or luxurious, it does what many people actually want from a car. It works. It's comfortable. It's easy to drive. And it's affordable to own. The Malibu's reputation problem comes from lack of excitement, not actual reliability or practicality issues. Because it doesn't grab headlines or dominate enthusiast discussions, it gets overlooked, even though it meets the needs of everyday drivers extremely well. For buyers who prioritize comfort, affordability, and simplicity, the Malibu remains a smart and underrated choice, especially on the used market, where prices are often very attractive. Number 1. Ford Fusion, the most unfairly judged sedan. The Ford Fusion takes the top spot because it's one of the most underrated and misunderstood sedans of the last decade. When Ford discontinued the Fusion, many people assumed the car failed, but the truth is far different. Ford ended the Fusion not because it was bad, but because the company chose to focus on SUVs and trucks as consumer demand shifted. In reality, the Fusion offers excellent reliability, strong build quality, comfortable ride tuning, and great handling. It feels more refined and balanced than many rivals, delivering a smooth driving experience that works well for both city and highway use. The Fusion also offered multiple powertrain options, including fuel-efficient hybrids that have proven to be extremely reliable. Many Fusion hybrid models easily exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Inside, the Fusion provides a quiet cabin, comfortable seats, modern infotainment, and solid safety technology. Ownership costs are generally reasonable, and replacement parts remain widely available. The Fusion's biggest reputation problem is misunderstanding. People assume discontinuation means failure, but in this case, it simply reflects market trends, not product quality. As a used car buy, the Ford Fusion is often a fantastic deal, offering more comfort and reliability than many newer and more expensive alternatives. It's a perfect example of how bad reputation doesn't always mean bad performance.